So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can record your FaceTime video calls with the audio as well. Now, if you typically screen record the FaceTime video call, you simply notice that there is no audio recording of yourself. It might be possible that the person you're on the video call with, it records their audio but not yours audio. So in order to fix that, you simply need to open the control panel and find the screen recording options. And once you get the screen recording option right there, you simply need to press and hold that one. Now once you do that, here you'll see this option of microphone on right below on the screen. Simply tap over there and set to a microphone on. Once you do that, you'll notice that the audio is also recording on the screen. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.